Hello, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. Today we will start the tutorial for the song Makhana, but before starting we will discuss 3 important points. First is I have divided the song into parts to make it easy for the new learners. Second is first learning with the counting and then the music. Third is first we will learn with the leg, then hand and then any body movements. Let's check out how I have divided the music. For today's tutorial I have divided it into 3 parts. Here goes the first part. Here the second one.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने
And the third one.
मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग.
Rest I'll come up with my next video. I'm following this process basically for the new learners. We will go step by step and we'll get thorough of it. This video is basically to make you confident about what you have learned previously. If you cannot follow the steps at the beginning and you have some queries regarding any steps, mention it in the comment box. Let's start with the first part. Let's begin with the leg. This is step number 2 that we have done in our earlier sessions. If you are new to my channel, then you can follow up with the link in the description. Let's do the hands. Snap your fingers in coordination with your legs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what we have to do is front walk. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The beauty of this step is lift your leg high and put the leg in front of the other. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next let's go to hands. Again snap your fingers with one hand in coordination with the leg. Everything what we are doing here is 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same also next one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also 4 counts. We will move on to the next one. Stand at that position and split your legs a bit. Turn your body a bit and a slight wave. Do not turn your body too much. Just a slight turn to the sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is also in 4 counts. Let's move on to the next one. From the previous position you have to move back. 3 and 4. It is not at all difficult. Just turn your body, bend your knee a bit and sit. Let's do it again with hands. 2, 3 and 4. Let's do with the music. Let's move to the second part of the song. Again we will first concentrate on the legs. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder movements I will post in my next videos. As of now, like somebody touches your shoulder and you just deny it. Continue with this concept now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do the hand. Take the similar hand according to the leg, like you are holding a plate. Let's do the other side. 1, 2 and 3. This is step number 1 of my dance tutorial. Link is embedded in the description. It is similar. We are just replacing the flat foot with toe. Turn your face opposite to the leg apart. Let's move on with the hands. Open up your fingers and keep your palm in front of your face. Use your same hand in accordance with your leg. Next, we will move back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you're moving back, don't forget to look at your hand. Let's do with the music. Third part, we will start with the step number 3 of my first tutorial. Move 2 steps to both the sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do the hands. Grab your hand the way I'm showing. You have to repeat it 2 times. 1, 2. We will involve a body movement that we have learnt in the earlier tutorial. Those who are new to my channel, they can follow up with the link in my description. The more you synchronize your wave with your hand, it will look more beautiful. Let's do together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The same step will follow for the next one, but only hand will vary. From down to up, down to up. Straighten your palm when you are down, fold it when you are up. Movement of your hand is like a slanting line. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again opposite. 2, 3 and 4. Next you have to just front walk with your foot. Let's move on to the hands. We have learnt this hand movement in our hand movement tutorial. That is hand movement 3. Raise your hand up and move to sides. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Move your body opposite to your hand movement. So let's practice. 1. Body is the opposite side of your hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next is you have to just jump. The more higher you jump, it will look more beautiful. But do how much ever you can. So let's revise. मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग. Let's do with me the next part of the song in the next video. So that's all for today. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe by clicking the red button below for more upcoming videos. Do like, share and do not forget to mention your views and queries in the comment section. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and take care.